G'day. If you're a YouTube creator or thinking of starting a YouTube channel, here are more of my tips as a 14-year YouTube creator. Important suggestions, such as tags and titles that contribute metadata and help people find your video among the millions of others and want to watch it. In my recent live stream, I gave examples of many things that will help your channel grow if you follow them. My number one absolute suggestion is you have to use tags, or keywords as I still call them, because otherwise Google cannot find your video. Google and YouTube, same company, owned by Alphabet now, they rely on being able to search for information that people are looking for. So you can make the very best video of any particular genre or topic that you like, but if no one can find it, you've wasted your time. So you have to use tags. Check out my YouTube keyword research video and how to use TubeBuddy for this purpose. Down in the description you'll find the link to that. That's if you press the more button there, you'll see the description will open up. Say you're making a video about how to make cats more beautiful. This is how random my mind works. Okay, in those keywords that you got to think, what are people looking for? Okay, let's assume people are looking for that. So they're going to type in, how do I make my cat more beautiful, in YouTube, in the search engine, or even on Google. So then if you have a tag, or that phrase, that bunch of keywords in your video, that will help Google go, oh, there's a video about how to make cats more beautiful. You get what I mean? So then add more tags. Similar, so YouTube will know what the video is about. What would it be? How to make your cat look better. How to make your cat look more appealing. This is just off the top of my head. They're not very good examples, but I'm trying to get that thought into your head. Now you have to have those in your tag area, and you're allowed 500. If you are going to do it on your phone, make sure you install the Creator Studio app. It's free. Try and get as many of those 500 characters as you can, because that all helps. So that would be my number one suggestion. In my YouTube Help for Small YouTubers playlist, you'll find tips like what is the ideal length for a YouTube video, as well as the best type of camera for YouTube, lighting, sound and editing. I also mention some of these in greater length in my Small YouTubers live stream. Check out these playlists for more help in growing your YouTube channel and improving your videos. See you next time. Cheers. If you're new to this channel and would like to see my new videos, click subscribe and the little bell next to it, and you'll get an email the moment they're out.